In this video, I am going to explain the use of stochastic indicator in swing trading, day trading, and scalping trading. A stochastic oscillator is a popular technical indicator for generating overbought and oversold signals. It is a momentum indicator developed based on support and resistance levels. The stochastic is displayed as an oscillator and can have a reading from 0 to 100. Stochastic indicator consists of two lines. A fast line appear in black color and a slow line that appear in red color. Stochastic fast line crossing above the slow line is considered as a bullish reversal. A stock is usually considered overbought when the stochastic is above 80% and oversold when it is below 20%. If a script is trading near a support level and the stochastic is in the oversold zone, then we can take a long position. Similarly, if a script is trading near a resistance level and the stochastic is in the overbought zone, then we can take a short position. Stochastic's fast line crossing below the slow line is considered as a bearish reversal. The results are effective when it is combined with the RSI indicator and super trend indicator. The relative strength index or RSI is a momentum indicator used in technical analysis. The RSI is displayed as an oscillator and can have a reading from 0 to 100. A stock is usually considered overbought when the RSI is above 70% and oversold when it is below 30%. A super trend is a trend following indicator similar to moving averages. It is plotted on price and the current trend can be simply be determined by its price movement. It is a very simple indicator and is constructed with the help of just two parameters, period and a multiplier. A sell signal is generated when the price is closing below the super trend. A buy signal is generated when the price is closing above the super trend. In addition to the stochastics, RSI and super trend indicators also can be used to locate accurate entry positions. Here, I am using a Harley chart with the three indicators that we discussed earlier. Firstly, a stochastics indicator with the default settings of 14 period. Secondly, I added a 14 period RSI indicator in the same panel of stochastics so that it will be easy to track crossovers. Finally, a super trend indicator with the values 10, 2. A buy entry or long position can be determined by using the following two conditions. Firstly, the stochastic's fast line crossing above the RSI line after an immediate oversold zone. Secondly, the price crossing above the super trend and indicates a bullish trend reversal. Wait for the completion of the current candle and take a buy entry. Similarly, a sell entry or short position can be determined by using the following two conditions. Firstly, the stochastic's fast line crossing below the RSI line after an immediate overbought zone. Secondly, the price crossing below the super trend and indicates a bearish trend reversal. Wait for the completion of the current candle and take a sell entry. Here we can see some more examples of buy signals. Also here we can see some more examples of sell signals. Here we got a sell signal and we start with selling one lot quantity here. On the next buy signal, we can place a buy order for two lot quantities, one for booking profit for the existing one lot and a fresh buying of another one lot. On the next sell signal, we can place a sell order for 2 lot quantities to book profit for the existing one lot and a fresh selling of another one lot. We can continue doing this till the expiry. We can notice here an invalid signal where only one condition met. These invalid signals can be ignored. This strategy is very effective for taking consecutive buy and sell entries in a preferred script, which will help traders to automatically decide stop loss and targets. This technique of alternating between both buy and sell entries is used in algo trading method. If you like the content of this video, please do subscribe and support us. Click the bell icon for receiving notifications about our further future videos. Thanks for watching.